Have you taken PMP training before? In 2020, you was not successful. You are unable to clear PMP training. Now, we have made a specific program and we have adjusted the program in a way that if you have taken predictive environment training in 2020 and you were unable to clear the exam on your first attempt or second attempt, or like many of the students who have trained for PMP exam but they were unable to get a slot. Now, what happened in the last week of December? The PMI site was down. They were so busy that due to COVID and all those things, centers were closed and online you cannot get the spot. It has happened to so many students who even got a spot, but when they had a online test, they had an issue with Pearson, and as a result, they have to forfeit their test or their test was like postponed. One of my student, he's working as a senior software engineer in one of the top IT companies. When he was giving his PMP exam, actually what happened, the the instructor, the protector asked him, please turn your camera on. And his camera was on. He said that my camera is on, but he said that I am unable to see. Since he was an IT expert, he turned some things on and off. Still, after a few questions, his camera again had a problem, and the person said to him, proctor said to him that I have to forfeit your exam and we will post your case, we will analyze your case and we will get back to you after that. And he contacted to me and he said that I had this problem. I told him, okay, the first thing is to stay calm. Then PMI, he contacted PMI, he contacted Pearson. The good thing was that he was able to retake his exam and he cleared on actually in I think 28th of December. But this is a story, success story of one person. I know so many person who were unable to give their exam, or since PMI made exam more difficult in last week, many students contacted me that they are unable to clear it. So if you are among those students, then we can help you. We can help you in clearing PMP in 7 days. Yes, you heard me right. In 7 days, we can help you to clear the PMP exam. Now, what we will do exactly in 7 days? If you are still watching the video, I'm sure you want to clear PMP exam in 7 days. The first thing that we will do, the first thing on the day one, we will cover exam content outline, the domain number 1, domain number 2, domain number 3, and we will help you to correlate these domains with the old knowledge you have. Now I would say this is the most important thing, since you already have a good amount of knowledge. Once we correlate those knowledge with the old knowledge with the new knowledge, you will be able to understand what exam content outline is all about right now. Then on the day one, we will cover the domain number 3 complete. Yeah, we will cover the domain number 3 complete, and we will do the questions of domain number 3. Then on the day number 2, we will go into agile. We will go into deep into agile. We will cover 4 values, 12 principle, and most importantly, we will dive deep into Scrum. We will dive deep into what is Scrum, from Scrum vision, product vision, then product roadmap, release, product backlog, sprint backlog, then sprint planning, the daily Scrum, sprint review, retrospective. We go into detail of each and everything that you need to know about Scrum. So that's it. That's all we will do on day number 2. And of course, you will do questions of domain number 2. You will do the questions of Scrum. On day number 3, we will cover Lean, Kanban, XP. We will cover all the prioritization tools, cumulative flow diagram, burn up, burn down chart, all the terminologies, all the things you need to know. So in day 1, day 2, day 3, your domain number 3 is clear, your agile is clear, and we will also cover resource, communication, and quality relative to agile as well as predictive till day number 3, and we will solve their questions respectively, topic by topic, according to the new environment. Then on day number 4, we will touch risk and quality and procurement. So day number, and we have covered these things. On day number 4, we will do their question. On day number 5, we will see how 3 baselines, scope, schedule, cost is created. We will see what is the journey of the deliverables, how deliverable is produced in direct and managed work, and then it moves to verify quality, control quality to become verified deliverable, then how it goes to validate scope, and then we will cover how it goes to close the project. Then we will cover the journey of change request. Then we cover journey of work performance data from direct and managed work to all monitoring and control, and how it become work performance information to report, and how a report is distributed in all the areas. Then we will cover change request, how to deal change in predictive, and how to deal change in agile environment. So, and we will work on earned value. So that will be the way, that will work on day 5th. So in day 6, we will revise each and everything, and we will do one complete mock. On day number 7, again we will revise everything, and you will do one more mock. When we are solving the mock, we will tell you what are the best way, how you use your positive bias to solve the question, how you use your emotional intelligence, how you anchor your experience, and how you utilized elimination technique in the best possible way. The best ways to come and find the keywords in the questions. Then from 4 options, how to go to 3 options, to 2 options, and what are the factors that need to pass to go through 2 options to 1 option. Through this, we will ensure you that you clear your PMP exam in 7 days. So, I have given you the roadmap. I have just told you how you can clear the PMP in 7 days in the new environment. If you want to do it by yourself, you can do it. I have a lot of videos. You can watch it and you can clear it. But if you need my help, if you need my assistance, you can contact me. My number is on the screen. We have 2 options for you. The one option is batch option. The second option is one-to-one, complete one-to-one session. Our third batch is starting on 5th of February after exactly 1 week. And for one-to-one session, you can contact me anytime and we can set a schedule. Just one thing I would say, already my 6 to 7 one-to-one sessions are in progress, so we need to find a schedule and see where to fit it. Whichever the thing you choose, if you come to us or if you want to do it yourself, I wish you best of luck, and till next time, stay legendary and clear the PMP. I would love to know how you cleared it, how you master the PMP. Thank you very much.